Hi Jam, it's I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail on an iPhone. It's completely free by just using these two various apps that are very easy to use. I really hope you enjoyed these videos, so let's start the video. The app you want to download is Fonto. It's a very nice app, so I already downloaded it, so you see that's basically what it looks like. Then you'd press open because I already have it, but you'd have to download it. So you want to get a plain image, so you press on that tab and press plain image. Press that, and you would want to press color. You want to change the color by pressing that. You can make it red or yellowish. You can make a mix. But always remember, it always has to be 1280 for the width and 720 because that's the YouTube thumbnail size. And if it isn't that size, well then, it really won't work or it will be distorted. So now you have red. I think you can, something cool is that you can like make it vertical. So like it will go from red all the way down to a different color. And I really love doing that in my thumbnails. And you press vertical, you see vertical up there. There's also horizontal or cut in half. So I like that, red to yellow. And you could also change that by pressing the vertical button. See, those are some of the other options you have. It could be that, I don't really like that. Horizontal and vertical. I like that one though. And you can save your colors, so you can do another one. You press use. Okay, good. So now you want to insert an image, which is a very important part. Since I already did this by accident, I'm just going to show you how I made it because I forgot to record. So you'd press add text, and then let's just type in something random, okay? You can move it, and then now you want to press font. There's various different fonts, and you can upload some fonts. So you'd move it by pressing your finger to other spots, and then you can change the size to make it bigger or smaller. Then you can press the plus and minus sign too. And then you can change the angle of it. See, like that or like that. You can also move it. If you don't have steady hands like me, you can use this very helpful tool to move your text. So you can also change, and style is changing the color, so you can make the color that, or you can do create color patterns like we did for the main screen. So you would press create color patterns, then you would press vertical if you like that, or horizontal if you like it that way. But I like the different colors. You can make it that color or that color, and you can change this pattern as well to make it darker. So then you'd have this nice little shade. But you can also always pick different fonts, and you can upload your own fonts to the app, which is very helpful. So you can do that, and you can save your image. You can save your color, so you can do that to all the other fonts you add. Okay, then when you're done, you can make it very dark, and alpha is like fading it away would be like 0, and being like clear would be 100. And you can move them all by just pressing that. Let's try to grab our font now. Oh, wrong one. By pressing that, you could just move it around everywhere, and we don't really want that in ours. So I'm going to show you how to upload an image onto this. So you can add image, then you would go to here and pick an image that you want. So I already added this in, so I wouldn't want to do that. But you can change the side, width, or height. But I recommend keeping it all the same, so it stays in dimension. So 0 would be most faded, and 100 would be clearest. You can also move it by the minus and addition sign. Okay, we can remove that. And you can also add items, which is very interesting. You have many options from little clicky things or speech bubbles. So you can add these. I don't usually add them, but they give a nice little touch. And style, you can change the color, and you can pretty much do all the other stuff that you do with it. And you can move it around by your finger. And if you don't want something, you can just put it to the white spot because you can't really delete stuff. And this is a theme. Now, you have to pay money to do that, but I don't really pay money. This is square crop. I don't usually do that, but you can change the shape of your square. And for YouTube, don't use square crop because it messes everything up. Okay, so that's it. And then you would use, and then I'll show you. So how you upload the thumbnails, you search YouTube Studio, and you can download this on the App Store. So you want to press YouTube Studio and download. I've already downloaded it though. So this is basically how you manage your YouTube account. This is very helpful for YouTubers. You can manage it on the go. So you would press open or download. And once you get here, let's say you want to make it my strange Animal Jam addiction thumbnail. So you have other options. You have videos, playlists, comments, and analytics is basically the stats of your channel. So let's say I want to change the Animal Jam addiction one, which I don't want to. You'd press the little pencil tab right there. And then you'd press edit thumbnail. Then you'd press change or custom thumbnail. Press moments. And then you'd press the thumbnail. And then you'd press select. And then you'd press, well, you would press save. But since I don't want this one, I'll press discard. So that's basically how you upload your thumbnail. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See, you have the other videos you've made. You also have private